Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share some tricks how you can survive third year, how you can study these 5 subjects that are very important. First is parasitology, then is pharmacology, then is extension, then there is VPH, veterinary public health, then there is LPT, that is livestock products and technology. What are the scopes or what are the importance of these subjects are? First, parasitology, there are parasites residing all over our body. Similarly, in animals also parasites are there. Different parasites are causing different problems, not just the production level decreases of the animals, including cattle, and like when there is irritation like skin irritation and all, so they are not able to feed properly, so their production decreases. So parasitology is very important that way. Then pharmacology, you know what is pharmacology, right? Pharmacology will help you know the drugs that you will give in different cases, the main constituent of those drugs, the mechanism of action of the drugs, their antagonists or the side effects of those drugs. So pharmacology is very important, study it well. Then comes VPH, veterinary public health. That is the zoonotic aspect will be discussed here, the epidemiology part will be discussed here, how it will spread to the population, then to the human population, if it is harmful or not, whether it is threatening to the human population or not, you will study in VPH. Then comes extension. When you go to a village, you will have to explain to the farmer what is happening, what they'll have to do. So the skills that you require there is explained in extension. This was all about the subjects. Now I'll discuss the books, and for the books, remember, for each book, the Amazon links from which you can buy those books is given in the description box. So you'll just have to go to the description box. Description box is nothing. You will just have to see the part I have written below this video. So go to that part and check it out. Okay. So yeah. First of all is pharmacology. For pharmacology, I'll suggest 3 books. One is Goodman and Gilman. It is like the Bible for pharmacology, you can say. So it has provided everything in detail. It is something that would clear all your basics properly. You have a lot of time now. You are starting with third year, so you can properly go through that book. Then comes K.D. Tripathi. I suggest that for exam purposes, for understanding Tripathi, I suggest because it helps you to understand the concepts very clearly, and it has just provided the right amount, the right amount you need. So yeah, that is good that way. And B.K. Roy sir's book is there, that includes both the pharmacology part and the toxicology part. This is good because it is providing with those definitions that you need, last time revision notes. So yeah, and it has some good tables too, so that is good that way. And K.D. Tripathi is also attractive because it has colorful diagrams. The mechanism of actions are also sometimes explained in a colorful way. So yeah. And then talking about toxicology, there is Sandhu and Brar. That is a really nice book that will cover toxicology very well. Then there comes parasitology. For parasitology, I will suggest 2 books. One is Soulsby and another one is Bhatia sir's book. So Soulsby is a foreign author's book and Bhatia is an Indian author's book. Soulsby is providing you with really nice diagrams that differentiates the different species of the same genus really well. While on the other hand, Bhatia is not providing you with such good diagrams, but the language is really easy, the font is bigger, so it is better that way. Then talking about, let's say, LPT. For LPT, the dairy part you should cover from, I'm suggesting you can cover from Sukumar De. It is a really nice book, it is easy. to study. So Sukumar Dey is nice. For meat technology or abattoir practices, you can go for B.D. Sharma. It is a very thin book, very simple book. You can study that. Yeah, these two are nice books for that purpose. And then for extension, you can go for G.L. Ray for the communication part, and for the basic concepts, you can go for Mathia Lagan sir's book. Both of them Indian authors, so very easy language and all that, so you can go for these two books. Apart from that, VPH is left. It is a very important subject. If you want to go study abroad, it is a very important subject. For VPH, you can go for Thornton for meat science. For epidemiology part, you can go for the preventive medicine book from Amlendru Chakraborty. So yeah, and apart from that, I'd suggest you something, that the three subjects I told, first is extension, then VPH, then LPT. Hopefully the notes that your professor provides, that will be enough for you to study. If not, you can go to some amazing sites like Dr. Vet. There you can go, then there you can get some amazing notes. Apart from that, you can go to Pet Yari. There you can get presentations. So yeah, these sites are quite helpful. And pharmacology, parasitology, you will have to study the book. You will have to know the concepts properly, the mechanism of action in case of pharmacology. In toxicology, the common symptoms that are happening, the causes, everything. You will have to study that properly. Two main subjects you will have to study properly. One is parasitology, one is pharmacology, and then VPH also is a very important subject you will have to study properly. Obviously 5 subjects are important, that's why they are included, but still the main focus should be on pharmacology, parasitology, VPH, these subjects. Okay, the links of the books from where you would have to buy the books, the links are provided in the description box. Go to those links, buy those books, study well. 2 important subjects, one is parasitology, one is pharmacology. 2 important subjects are there. You must study that properly and then qualify for all your exams for veterinary science. And if you want to go for animal science, then LPT, you can't leave LPT, it's so important. And VPH is another very important subject if you want to go to study abroad. It's really very helpful. So yeah, this year is very important. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.